videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, US dollar. The dollar recovered strongly following the Federal Open Markets Committee meeting on Wednesday, at which the Fed kept monetary policy unchanged and implied that it would be unlikely to use more quantitative easings unless the US fell into recessions. The dollar ended the day at 1.2224 to the euro and 78.42 to the yen. Today's economist calendar includes new jobless claims and factory orders, which are an increase anticipated in the first but a drop in the second. Next to the euro. The euro traded lower on Wednesday after the Federal Open Markets Committee suggested a lower probability of the Fed using quantitative easings. Opposition to the European Central Bank proposal to ease borrowing costs by buying the debts also weighed. The single currency ended the day trading at 95.86 to the yen and 0.7868 to the pound. The main event on today's economist schedule is the European Central Bank rates meeting, although expectations are mixed on the outcome. British pound. The pound fell on Wednesday after the UK manufacturing PMI showed a much larger than expected drop, and the Federal Open Markets Committee kept their wait-and-see policy stance. The pound ended the day at 1.5535 to the dollar and 121.82 to the yen. The Bank of England monthly rate decisions meeting and the construction's PMI are also both expected out today. Japanese yen. The yen traded mixed on Wednesday as the risky assets sold off on the slowdown fears after the release of poor data from China, whilst dollar rose post Federal Open Markets Committee's meeting. Chinese manufacturing's PMI in July fell to the 50.1 versus 50.5 expected and 50.2 previous. The yen ended the day at 78.42 to the dollar and 95.86 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.233 with 1.222 and 1.217 inside. The upside breakdowns are 1.233, which will open the way to 1.239 and 1.244. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions at 1.5605 with 1.5515 and 1.54.7 as targets. The upside penetrations are 1.5615, which will call for 1.56.4 and 1.56.7. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions at 78.35 with 78.65 and 78.75 inside. The downside penetrations are 78.25, which will call for 77.9 and 77.75. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.